I'm Will Martino, co-founder of Kadena. We're doing this to help the world reinvent and transform itself.
From the start, our approach has been different. Our experience helping JP Morgan navigate the world of blockchain showed us the limitations of the technology that was out there. They aren't ready for real business use.
When I was lead engineer for a group at the Securities and Exchange Commission, Stuart hired me at JP Morgan. We built their first internal blockchain together. We learned what's needed for blockchain to truly deliver, and that's why we left JP to found Kadena.
From the very beginning, we planned for the key challenges faced in real use cases: speed, scalability, and security. We developed working technology, as in working right this minute, to fuel the ideas of developers and organizations. We're not just a white paper and an idea. We've been deployed in Fortune 100 companies for over a year. Our contract language, Pact, is 2 years old, and most of the Kadena platform is already open source and ready for experimentation.
Focusing on private blockchain first gave us discipline. We designed our tech to solve real business needs and demands, and now we're democratizing these innovations in public blockchain. Our architecture, Chainweb, delivers a truly usable blockchain. Picture interconnected chains supporting each other to work on behalf of the whole. This architecture lets Chainweb handle rapid growth with incredible throughput, confirmation times, and scalability. There's no congestion. It's incredibly secure, it easily integrates with other business systems, and most importantly, it's not owned by the richest stakeholders.
We're using proof of work to braid chains together. Chainweb starts with the proven security that powers Bitcoin and Ethereum, but multiplies it with the security of many chains, whether that's 100, 1,000, or 10,000 chains.
We're powerful enough for Fortune 100 companies. We started with their needs because their stakes are so high. But that's not how we think we're going to change the world. We're bringing this technology to everyone, especially small teams without many resources. The development community is crucial to a blockchain project, so we've made it really easy to develop on Kadena.
The thing that people don't get is that smart contracts are why blockchain is going to be adopted. We saw their potential at JP Morgan, but knew that there was still serious work to be done. So we developed Pact, the first human-readable smart contract language. People can use it to write directly onto a blockchain. It's this huge, obvious step forward for safe, automated contracts.
There's more to smart contracts than just money transactions. Pact was designed to handle the most sophisticated, complex work in enterprises while still being easy to learn and fun to code. We wanted to provide tools so that the computer can find bugs for you. We wanted you to be able to use someone else's code and be in control of what happens when they change it. Do you take upgrades right away or phase them in? Even in your own code, you can say how you want to upgrade. You can just do it, or let your community decide democratically whether to sign off on the upgrade.
Pact is going to enable entirely new business models on the blockchain. For example, renting an apartment. Today, getting verified is slow and expensive, with the cost eventually being passed along to the consumer. Soon we'll have on-chain services that will verify you instantly.
Companies and developers are going to take blockchain and Kadena in directions we can't imagine. Innovations that initially seem bizarre will become part of our daily lives. Picture a digital check where money flows 2 ways. There's automated intelligence and decision-making, but you're always in control.
With our clients, we're highly collaborative, which lets us find new ways to use Kadena. If you're with a company or organization, get in touch with us.
We're already partnering with organizations in finance, manufacturing, healthcare, and education to help them to reimagine their industries. And that's because what you can build on Kadena is virtually limitless.
This is such an exciting time. We get to work with some of the best engineers in the world, solving fascinating problems. The space is by definition global, which is why we work around the world.
We are writing a new chapter in the history books, and every day we're shaping what gets written. We're laying the groundwork for something that is going to dramatically expand blockchain adoption and enable the transformation of how we live and work